So imaginein mo kung kunyari meron kang branch, nag-report yung isang staff mo ng out of stock. Pero sinulat yun sa papel. So yung papel, bago nakaabot sa head office, umabot ng 2 linggo. So anong gagawin mo dun sa data na yun, di ba? Paso na yun, out of stock, na walang ka na ng benta for 2 weeks.
Digital transformation, why is it important for SMEs? Kasi when you hear the word digital transformation, yun, medyo nakakatakot nga siya.
Yes, oo.
Parang para lang dun sa mga malalaking companies. But is it also important for SMEs?
Yes, definitely. Very important. Sabi ko nga, it doesn't matter what the size of the business is. Whether small ka or malaki ka, you can transform your business using technology. And especially now, in this day and age na very competitive, everything is moving so fast. You also have to be able to react fast. So imaginein mo kung kunyari meron kang branch, nag-report yung isang staff mo ng out of stock. Pero sinulat yun sa papel. So yung papel, bago nakaabot sa head office, umabot ng 2 linggo. So anong gagawin mo dun sa data na yun, di ba? Paso na yun, out of stock, na walang ka na ng benta for 2 weeks. So yan yung sinasabi na when you automate, when you digitize, you will be able to get real-time data so that you can also make real-time decisions. Na sa panahon ngayon, sobrang critical. Yung sabi nga nila, innovate or perish or innovate or die. Pag hindi ka mag-innovate, mapag-iiwanan ka ng competitors mo, pwedeng mamatay yung negosyo mo.
Yeah, so it's not just a matter of, kumbaga, nice to have, no? Ngayon, yung digital transformation, parang what I'm hearing from you, it's a survival.
Correct, yes.
Diba? Just like what happened in the pandemic, during the pandemic, maraming mga companies na hindi masyadong naka-adapt and maraming nawala. Whereas those companies na nag-take advantage ng what was happening during the pandemic, they were able to grow their business.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So, yun, very important, no, na we, kumbaga, shift the mindset natin, our mindset na yung things like digital transformation, it's not a nice to have, but it's a necessity for us nowadays, given all the technologies, the fast-paced development that's happening in the business world. So, kailangan nakakasabay tayo. Otherwise, yun, maiiwanan tayo.